What is your father like? My father is a very kind, honest, and hardworking person. He works in a private company. He loves his family and always takes care of us. He gets up early in the morning and starts his day with a cup of tea. He works very hard to support our family. He always encourages me to study well and achieve my goals. He believes in honesty and discipline. He helps people whenever they need him. In his free time, he likes reading newspapers and watching the news. He spends time with the family in the evening and shares his experiences with us. Everyone in our family respects him because he is a responsible and caring person. I learn many good things from him, and I'm proud of my father.